good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
I am Rinalyn Rico Estanique. I live in Villaluz, Bintusaleben, Isabela. I have live-in partner and I have one son. I have 3 brothers and 1 sister. I am the 4th member of the family. I am college graduate. I took Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I work in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia as domestic helper with a couple and 2 children, 8 years old and 9 years old. I'll do household like cleaning, cooking, ironing, laundry, and car washing, and taking care of baby.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I will check the temperature and I will call my employer.
How would you describe yourself?
I am honest, responsible, and hardworking.
Do you have any tattoo?
No.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
Yes, I have surgery with cesarean section 9 years ago.
Okay. Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to help my family, especially to my children.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your child?
My parent and my husband.
If you're homesick, what would you do? If you're homesick, what would you do?
I
Focus.
focus to my work and remind myself I need this job.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep around 10 p.m. and I wake up around 6 a.m. in the morning.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
More patient.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, but willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, Sir Ma'am. Hope you select me as your helper. I am hardworking, responsible, and I will promise to serve you. Thank you.